All right, so we've just stepped out onto the 6th floor pool area, and all I can say is wow, wow, wow. Lots of space. This is an incredibly large deck, lots of chairs, lots of things to explore. So let's go explore a few things. You've got a little party area here with couches and chairs. And by the way, this is the surrounding 6th floor social area we were just on. So we just stepped out. Over here, looks like you've got more things to explore. So we're just gonna go counterclockwise. And there's, now that looks like a private balcony over there. So private balcony, how fun would that be? And then you've got over here a grilling area. So let's go check this out. Oh, and by the way, we just passed these gorgeous fountains. I absolutely love those, so pretty. So anyway, we go past this and we've got some beautiful, huge grilling areas. Huge grilling area. So it looks like it has 2, if not 3 grilling areas with water and lots of seats. And this is all covered, by the way. So you've got this beautiful area. And then look at this. Oh, this is just very luxurious. So it's got these private cabana with flat, oh gosh, I just love that flat wood that's making up this structure with reinforced with steel. So that's really, really cool. So there's 1, 2, 3 of those areas that are over here. So this is so much fun. This is beautiful. So this would be so fun to have this private area. Here's the pool itself. Beautiful pool. And it's not just a pool, it's a seating area that's over here. So this is maybe about 6 inches, 6 inches into the water. You can just sit down and relax and soak in some great sun. And then, of course, you've got the incredible pool, and it's a good size. My guess would be maybe 60 feet. The whole width of this, hard to guess, but it's pretty long. And this is definitely a social pool. It's 3 feet 6 inches, and it has a small infinity section there at the end where it looks like the water is just going off the edge. And then over here you see the sides. So there's so many seats. I hope you're seeing all the seats. There's seats behind me. There's seats in front of me. This. First of all, it will get a lot of sun. Here's some more seats that are in the water over here. So there's 4. And then you see those pretty fountains. What a pretty day. Just to enjoy, get some sun and enjoy. And y'all look, there's more seats over there and over here. And then all of this is surrounded by these views. So look at these views. This is 6th floor. And look at these gorgeous views. You just got great views. And then of course right there you've got the American Airlines Center just right in the distance. It's just absolutely beautiful. Just gorgeous. So let's explore this little back area just real quick, just so you can see it. Let's see. So it looks like you have another kind of private area. That's a fire pit area. So that's really pretty. And that's primarily it. So just a lot of space, both shaded and non-shaded, to enjoy the sun. Good amount of pool space. I love the private cabana. This is just an incredible pool area. A++.